Hi guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope you all are keeping yourself safe in this pandemic situation. Please stay home and don't step outside. Stay home, watch the videos and study. Yeah, so today we are going to do a very important question of NCERT जो बहुत ही लोगों को, बहुत ही बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है. I have seen many kids coming on to me for this particular question. NCERT का भी है, RD शर्मा में भी है. So let's get started. Yeah, so what does the question says? Our question says that prove that angle between internal bisector of one base angle and the angle bisector of external bisector of the other base angle of a triangle is equal to 1/2 of the vertical angle. अब इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी terms हैं जो internal bisector, external bisector, base angle, vertical angle, so let's get, अभी हम step by step इसका सबसे पहले figure बनाते हैं. Like earlier also I have told you, once you are done with the figure, half of the question is already solved. So हम इसका पहले figure बनाते हैं, then I'll make you aware with each and every term which is being used in this question. ठीक है? So सबसे पहले हमें क्या चाहिए? We want a triangle. So let's make a triangle. Okay? So ये हमारे पास एक triangle है. Sorry for not so straight lines. Okay, if you see this triangle, let's name it, it's ABC, and this is actually being extended, and this point will take here on this ray which is called as D. अभी इस triangle में we have got two base angles. Base angles कौन कौन से हैं? ये वाले angle B और ये angle C. These are base angles and this angle A is the vertical angle. So base angle और vertical angle आपको पता चल गया. अभी it says that internal bisector of one base angle. Suppose हमने ये वाला base angle ले लिया है and इसका internal bisector. Let me change the color of my pen. Alright. तो इसका इंटरनल बाइसेक्टर क्या होता है? एंगल बाइसेक्टर जो एक एंगल को विच डिवाइड्स इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो इसका दिस इज द एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल बी. दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. एंगल ए सी डी इज आर एक्सटीरियर एंगल. इसका भी इट सेज एक्सटर्नल बाइसेक्टर. अभी सी एक एंगल इसमें ये है, राइट, एक एंगल ये है. अभी if they would have said the internal bisector, then obviously we would have taken this angle, but it says the external bisector, so we are going to take this angle. All right, so I'm so sorry. Okay, so ये हमारा एक internal bisector था, ये external. Suppose they are intersecting at a point E. So there is one angle which is made here, this one. It says angle between internal bisector of one base angle and external bisector of other base angle. अभी internal bisector और external bisector को मिला करके एक angle बन रहा है, ये वाला. This is equal to what? This is equal to 1/2 of the vertical angle. Now what did I tell you? Vertical angle is what? Vertical angle is angle A. So what we have to prove here? Simple. यहाँ पे हमें क्या prove करना है? We have to prove here that angle E will be equals to half of angle A. ठीक है, equal to 1/2 of the vertical angle. Vertical angle is angle A और जो हमारा angle बना है that is angle E. This is simply we have to prove. Now what all is given to us? ठीक है, what all is given? That BE is an angle bisector. Now if BE is an angle bisector, what can you say about these two angles? Obviously these two angles will be same. Suppose if I call this angle as 1, so ये वाला angle भी क्या हो जाएगा? 1. Simple. Similarly CE is actually the bisector of angle A, C and D. Right? ये इसका bisector है. अभी so what we can say to these two angles, this one and this one, what can we say about this? They'll be equal because it is like angle bisector. So if I call this one as 2, so this angle will also be equal to 2. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज obviously if it's an exterior angle, so यहाँ पे हमारी exterior angle property will be used. What does exterior angle property says? Exterior angle property says, suppose you have a triangle. ठीक है, this is a triangle A, B and C. Simple. इसको अगर हम extend कर देंगे with a point D on it, ठीक है, BD is basically, BC is extended to a ray, so D is a pointer. तो हमारा एक्सटर्नल एंगल कौन सा होगा? ये वाला. I'll just change the color for better understanding. This angle is our exterior angle. एक्सटीरियर का मतलब क्या होता है? बाहर वाला. So ये हमारा एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. So our theorem says that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. अगर हम ये वाला, ये एंगल क्या है? इंटीरियर एंगल C. दिस इज व्हाट? एक्सटीरियर एंगल C. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू इंटीरियर के ऑपोजिट. इंटीरियर के ऑपोजिट कौन कौन से हैं? A and B. I'll change the color again, just for your better understanding I'm doing this. Okay, so इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट कौन से हैं? ये वाला A and B. क्योंकि इसके ऑपोजिट दीज टू आर कमिंग, इसके ऑपोजिट. सपोज अगर ये होता देन व्हाट आर द ऑपोजिट्स ऑफ दीज टू? B and C. बट नो, हियर वी हैव, दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, ये उसका इंटीरियर एंगल है. इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट, ऑपोजिट कौन से? एंगल A and B. सो व्हाट डज आवर एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम सेज? दैट एंगल ACD will be equal to angle A plus angle B. This is our exterior angle property explained. Okay, now we'll coming back to our question. वो कह रहा, I have explained you thoroughly about the figure and what needs to be calculated. Now the issue is how it will be calculated. So let's see, I have a figure ready here. Let's get started with our proof. Okay, such a nice colorful figure, you know. आप भी ऐसे different colors use कर सकते हो because it will give you a very fair idea of क्या equal है, what needs to be done, you know. बहुत ही easily आप देख के समझ सकते हो इसमें कि आपको क्या करना है. Okay, so proof. Now our first step, see angle B, we know that angle 1 plus angle 1 is what? Angle B, right? So we can say that twice of angle 1 is equals to angle B. Similarly, we can say that angle 2 plus angle 2 is giving us angle ACD. Similar, तो फिर क्या होगा? Twice of angle 2 is giving us what? Sorry, it's not D. Twice of angle 2 is giving us angle ACD. Okay, this is all what all is given और हमने उनका symbolic representation कर दिया है. Now if you see in triangle ABC, अगर आप triangle ABC देखो, exterior angle is angle ACD, which means that exterior angle ACD will be equal to what? Equal to what? Angle A plus angle B, because exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. हमने इसमें exterior angle theorem की use कर दिया. Alright. Now but you know that what is angle ACD? Angle ACD is what? Twice of angle 2. So twice of angle 2 is equals to angle A plus angle B. क्या था हमारे पास? Twice of angle 1. इसकी वैल्यूज हम यहाँ रख देते हैं. ठीक है, अभी इधर भी 2 आ रहा है, इधर भी 2 आ रहा है. लेट अस डिवाइड द इक्वेशन बाय 2. डिवाइडिंग द इक्वेशन बाय 2. सो क्या बच गया हमारे पास? एंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ ऑफ, बिकॉज हमने डिवाइड किया है, हाफ एंगल 2 is equals to half of angle A plus angle 1. This is our first equation जो हमने बना ली है. All right. Coming to the next angle, next triangle. Which triangle are we going to take? We are going to take triangle B, this one, B, C and E. BEC, triangle BEC लेते हैं. In triangle BEC, see, we also, if you see, observe it carefully, angle 2, this one, this angle जो है ये वाला, this angle 2 is actually the exterior angle of triangle BCE, right? So what we can say about this angle, that angle 2 will be equals to interior opposite angles का sum होगा, right? So can we say that angle 2 is equals to angle 1 plus angle E? Simple. So we know that angle 2 is equals to angle 1 plus angle E. This is our second equation, right? दोनों में exterior angle property लगा के हमने दो equations बना लिए. Now see, equation 1 and equation 2 both are what? Basically angle 2. यहाँ पे भी हमने angle 2 निकाला है and यहाँ पे भी angle 2 निकाला है. Let us equate the values of angle 2. What was it? Half of angle A plus angle 1. So we'll write here, equating the values of angle 2. Simple. From equation 1 and 2, right? क्या था हमारा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हाफ ऑफ एंगल A प्लस एंगल 1 is equals to, what is this value? Angle 1 plus angle E. Simple. Angle 1 and angle 1 got cancelled, and what do we get? That angle E is equals to half of angle A, which was required. Proved with a smiley. Alright, I hope you understood all this concept. It was very easy. It was the concept of exterior angle theorem, जो बहुत ही easy है. Now wherever if you see the exterior angle is being made, so 90% of the time this property will be used somehow, because sometimes there are 2-3 triangles linked और उनका कुछ relation बना के then we have to solve it. So we firstly we need to know कि हमें चाहिए क्या, you know, what needs to be calculated and how you can develop the relation amongst these two. That's how you'll get all the proofs. I hope this is all clear to you. If you got any doubts, you are free to mail on my email address, which is maths.charu@gmail.com. You can send me your doubts, and I'm assuring you I'll be making a video step-by-step process so that you understand your question very properly. That's all from my side. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.